Atensia ewa attention TV so na sabre ameka say eye ejapa de ebida eye Parliament House a eje demu a ye dumu kra endum na ne nyina ne say eye Honorable Sam George a oda ningo prampram a oye Honorable ho hwe sa ampeso ade so se ne ebe ya nema be koyie no omukopie mu ewo Parliament eye sabi mema ne mema agrodie ne ma ne agrodie ya turu di LGBTQ+ a ene ye prayer say ye beji atum na wo ye be ma watimi awale oyonko be masaso na wo ye oba utimi wale oyonko ba na se wo ye nipa sabi utimi wale aboa enu nti na plus no abeka ho eye Honorable Sam George nani abre ewo parliament said ni nyina ne say eye MP fo ni bi NPP fo MPs ni bi epese gisa eye sabi sa LGBTQ+ etuma ye Sam George nani abre papa na nani bre ni nyina omo pese omo gituma ye Sam George nani abre ni nyina ne say empanifo ni bi ana se ministers ni bi ewuwo mu asabe omo yesa niema bi sebe omo wale ma ewo mu wale ma sa na mema ewo mu so wale emema Sam George hwe se o ma kwan eye Speaker of Parliament obeji sa sebe ewudi samui atuma na koso ewo Ghana krodwem ha Ghana de ye ne LGBTQ+ yetim kwanta yapai Sam George no come so inti na numu samra.
The thing is that this is not the first time this is happening. It's not the second time. This is the third time the Speaker has given such an instruction and it has been disregarded in his absence. We need to understand from the majority side what their issues with the bill are. We need to understand with those who take the chair when the Speaker gives the instruction what their opposition to the bill is. We are very well aware of people in leadership on the majority side who are reaching out to sponsors of the bill asking us to step down the bill. Is that why the majority side is fighting against the bill? The excuse given today that the chairman of the committee is not in the chamber, so we can't take the amendment, is alien to the practice of this house, because the ranking member was present. Even government bills, when the chairman is not present, the ranking member is able to take the amendments that stand in the name of the chairman, because amendments of the committee always stand in the name of the chairman. And all the amendments, about 43 of them that have been tabled, are amendments that have been agreed between us as sponsors and the committee. So if government business, the ranking member can move the amendments, how is it that a private member's bill, where the private members say we are comfortable with the ranking moving the bill, then the person in the chair says we can't take the bill because the chairman is not there, and the chairman has intentionally stayed away? Those who have gone and gotten influenced by persons who have interest in the LGBTQ should return whatever influence they have collected, because we will fight, and the next time we address the media, I will mention names. I've been impressed upon today by my co-sponsors not to mention names, and it's out of respect for them that I'm not mentioning names. But if they continue this behavior of frustrating the bill, how can this bill spend almost 3 years? This bill was introduced in 2021. The Speaker of Parliament, they want to disgrace the Speaker, because if you remember, at the beginning of this year, the Speaker promised Ghanaians that before the end of this year, we will pass the bill. This is calculated to undermine the authority of the Right Honourable Speaker. This is calculated to disgrace the Right Honourable Speaker, and we will not tolerate it. We will not allow this to happen. This is the last time we would accept this kind of behavior. And Ghanaians should take notes. The Christian community, the Muslim community, the African traditional religious worshippers, the National House of Chiefs who have supported this bill must take note of the actions of persons on the floor of the House who are seeking to filibuster and slow down the move of this bill. But this bill is a moving train, and for those who think that it can stand in his way, we will crush you.